I'll show you how to use Google Search Console step by step. If you own a website, blog, or online store, Google Search Console is one of the most important free tools for monitoring your site's performance on Google Search. First, open your web browser and go to Google Search Console. Sign in using the Google account connected to your website. If this is your first time, you'll need to add your website as a property. After signing in, you'll see the dashboard with different reports and tools. The overview section gives you a quick summary of your website's performance. Here you can check how many pages are indexed, whether Google has found any issues, and if there are security or usability problems. Next, click on the performance report. This is where you'll find valuable data like total clicks, impressions, average click-through rate, and average search position. You can also see which search queries bring visitors to your site and which pages perform the best. Use filters to view data from the last 7 days, 28 days, or even compare different time periods. Now go to the indexing section. The Pages report shows which pages are successfully indexed and which ones have problems. If a page isn't indexed, Google usually explains why. Fix the issue, then request indexing again if needed. If you've created a sitemap, click on Sitemaps from the left menu. Enter your sitemap URL, usually ending with sitemap, XML, and submit it. This helps Google discover your pages more efficiently. You can also use the URL inspection tool at the top. Paste any page URL to check whether it's indexed. If you've recently updated a page, click Request Indexing so Google can review it again. Another useful feature is the Experience section, where you can monitor core web vitals and mobile usability. Improving these areas can help provide a better user experience and potentially improve search rankings. Don't forget to check the Security and Manual Actions section occasionally to make sure your website doesn't have security issues or Google penalties. For the best results, check Google Search Console regularly. Monitor your traffic, fix indexing errors, submit updated sitemaps, and keep improving your content based on the search queries people use to find your website. And that's how you use Google Search Console in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe